Hi, my name is Lina Farfan. I am a student at the military university. This is my ID, and I am in the civil engineering program. In the second activity of the fourth level English course, I am going to expose you about the food for the vacations, the local national and international food, also the Colombian food that we do in our celebrations. And subject food for holidays. I would like to visit the following countries and try their food diversity. Is Mexico for its tacos, which are tortillas stuffed with meat, beans, and chili peppers. And also Indian for its spice food. The chicken curry must be delicious. Also in Spain, the dish paella de mariscos, which is a Colombian combination of seafood, and visit Japan for its culture and because they have the best sushi in the world, which are rolls of raw fish with rice and other ingredients. And last but not least, Italy for its famous pasta and pizzas. Food in Colombian, famous dishes. In Colombia, we have local dishes such as the bandeja paisa, which is a dish from Medellin, famous for its beans. The ajiaco, which is a representative soup of Bogota, and tamales, which are plates level filled with rice, chicken, meat, and eggs. When we go on vacation, depending of the place in Colombia, we can eat different dishes. For example, in my last vacation, I met the Guajira. Is an incredible place, and they have their own dish, which is the goat with arepas. While in Bogota, we do not see much of this type of food. Typical dishes for celebration in Colombia for the holidays and celebration in our country. For example, for December, we have the typical dishes named as ajiaco or tamales and Christmas and fritters and custards. For other types of celebrations, we have patacones, chicken, and sweets, sushi, bocadillo. As conclusion, we can say that our dish for celebration or vacation depends on the place where we are or visit because everyone has different cultures and so do their food, but it's important to learn from um, this for our next vacations. Thank you very much.